Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another vlog, and in this video we'll be unboxing the new Sony MDR650BTs, where the XB stands for extra bass. So let's go with it. Hey guys, this is the final retail packaging of the MDR650BTs, and without any further ado, let's get right into it. To unbox it, all you have to do is open up the latch and pull out the other box. Just give me a minute. Here we go. And once we have it out, all we have to do is open it up, and there we go. We have the headphones themselves, which are tied on using these cable wires, which I've already removed because I've already unboxed my headphones and tested them out to give you guys an initial impression of the headphones. So putting these onto the side, we have a little documentation from the box and a micro USB charger to charge the headphones. And please do know that the company requests us to charge using a micro USB and not a wall mounted adapter. They just ask us to charge the headphones using the micro USB, which should be plugged to the laptop. And we also have a bass booster built inside onto the headphones. Along with that, the headphones feel pretty sturdy. They have good flexibility, and there's no sign of crackling anywhere. Now, speaking of the headphones, we have a power button, the microphone, micro USB cable, the volume rocker, and a slider which allows us to skip tracks, pause and play music by pressing it down, and uh, we can also take and end calls with the same button. Now we do get swivels on the edges so that we can lay the headphones flat, and it just makes our portability a little easier. And speaking of the music experience from these headphones, the noise on these headphones are very clear and decent. The ear cups are very cushiony and soft, and uh, there is very little clamping pressure on your jaws. The vocals are clear, and the highs, lows, and the mids are decently optimized. The bass is present, and you always feel the thumps and the thuds. The bass does not overpower the music, and you are also really isolated when you crank up the volume to its full potential. So that's it, guys. Do let me know and smash that like button if you want a full comprehensive review of the Sony XB950 BTs. This is Ankit saying ciao. See you in the next one.